All right, guys, we're going to keep working on math, and today we're going to talk about this big fancy word here called the commutative property. What this means is that in a multiplication problem, we can move around the numbers. Think about this commute right here, the C-O-M-U-T. That means move. The prefix com means moving. So what we're doing in a commutative property is we're moving the numbers around. So I have this 2 times 5. What this commutative property means is this 2 and the 5 can move places and the answer doesn't change. Okay, 5 times 2 is the same thing, same answer as 2 times 5. This is similar to the commutative property also applies for addition. All right, if I have 4 plus 1, it equals 5. If I switch it around, it's a bad plus sign. If I switch around and do 1 plus 4, it equals 5 also. Okay, so they can be switched around. So really this is nice because you can do it both ways, and you really only have to memorize half of them or know how to do half of them. Because if I tell you to draw an array for one of these multiplication problems, let's try it. We'll do an easy one since it's hard to draw on here. We'll go 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means that we have 3 rows and there's 2 in each row. Okay? And that equals 6. But with the commutative property, I can switch it around and do 2 times 3. So 2 times 3 means that I have 2 rows with 3 in each. So when you look at my drawings, this is the same thing as this, just turned on its side. Okay, it's just written the opposite way. So that means when you get one of these arrays and you have to write the multiplication problem, you can switch it and it's still going to be the same answer. Okay, so if I give you this array, we got 3 rows times 4. That means you're going to be able to write 2 multiplication problems for this. So this 3 by 4 is one way, and that equals 12. Or you can look at it the other way. Woo, yikes. I'm bad with writing on here. There we go. 3 by 4 equals 12. Or you can look at it the other way, switch it, and it equals 4 times 3 equals 12. Okay? So it can just be switched is all that means. Commutative property is pretty simple. It doesn't matter which way you write your multiplication problem, you're still going to get the same answer. Okay? So you're going to work on this on your little homework sheet on Google Classroom. If you have any questions, please let me know. And good luck.